Hi there, friends. Come sing with me. It's time to learn the letter B. Are you ready? Let's go.
Oh, bounce in the ground. Goes up high, it comes back down. It's the ball bouncing on the ground. It goes up high, it comes back down. B is for bee, buzzing by a tree. Buzz, 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 so happily. B is the letter today. Let's shout B in a super fun way. B for ball, B for bee. So many B words, come dance with me. B is for bear, big and brown. He gives a wave and jumps around. B is for balloon, blue and bright, floating in the air like a bird in flight. B bounce like a ball, buzz like a bee, then stand up tall. B for bear, B for balloon. Let's learn more words, we'll be done soon. B is for bat that flies at night, with flappy wings in the pale moonlight. B is for bread, soft and round, yummy and warm, the best snack around. B is for basket full of fun, toys and blocks for everyone. So many B words, what a blast. Let's remember them so they will last. Now you know, say be fast, say be slow. You're so smart, hip hip hooray. Let's learn more letters another day. As the final few seconds fade out, wave to the bee, the ball and bear, the basket, bat and bread are there. Bye bye friends, thanks for the play. We'll learn more fun stuff every day.
Come along, come and play. Journey with Asher every day. Learning, laughing, come what may. Adventure and fun are on the way. Come along, come and play. Journey with Asher every day. Learning, laughing, come what may. Adventure and fun are on the way.